If you are managing a severe chronic illness, your daily life often looks like this. You're juggling rigid medication schedules, sudden symptoms, and fluctuating vitals, all while trying to keep track of the details. This creates the spaghetti data problem. Your critical health history ends up split between various diet apps, unorganized phone notes, and whatever you can manage to keep in your own memory. When you reach the clinic, you're handed a clipboard. You are expected to recall months of granular data with perfect accuracy while you are exhausted, stressed, and actively sick. The healthcare system relies on patients acting as flawless data couriers. When memory fails under that pressure, it results in administrative bottlenecks and dangerous misdiagnoses. The obvious modern solution is to feed all that chaotic data into a powerful AI chatbot and ask it what's wrong. But this triggers a specific regulatory tripwire. The moment an AI analyzes data to suggest a diagnosis or prescribe a medication, it crosses a strict legal boundary. The FDA regulates software that behaves this way as a Class 3 medical device. This classification brings massive legal liability, hallucination risks, and physical danger to the patient. Architecting a medical AI for a patient's pocket requires structural constraints that prevent the algorithm from practicing medicine. Aura hOS takes this restrictive approach. It is an advanced AI system built specifically to avoid acting like a doctor. Standard health apps sync sensitive data to corporate cloud servers, making your medical history a target for data breaches and privacy violations. Aura uses a local-first architecture. It runs a small language model, or SLM, directly on your phone's internal neural engine. An SLM is a compact AI optimized to run on mobile hardware without an internet connection. This localized processing ensures zero-knowledge privacy. The creators don't hold your keys and have no mathematical way to surveil your data. Patient data sovereignty is built on physical isolation. By removing the cloud, the computation stays on the device in your pocket. Since the AI cannot provide medical advice, it functions as a formatting engine, restructuring your inputs without interpreting their medical meaning. Imagine recording a messy voice note about a week of sleep deprivation, late-night meals, and a recurring morning headache. The AI extracts the variables from that audio and maps them into a structured JSON timeline. It turns your rambling speech into organized code. To manage errors, Aura uses a failsafe called the Compassionate Deferral Regex Sandbox. If the AI attempts to generate an unauthorized prescriptive phrase like, "You should take medication for this," the local sandbox filter detects that specific diagnostic language before it ever reaches your screen. The system drops the unauthorized packet and replaces it with a safe, pre-programmed prompt, routing you to a doctor or emergency services. This client-side bounding keeps the AI focused on administrative tasks, keeping the software within the legal boundaries of a non-device. Back at the clinic, the structured Aura Unified Journal replaces the waiting room clipboard. The system uses objective correlation to review 90 days of logs, looking for mathematical overlaps in your habits and symptoms. This chart illustrates the result. It shows that migraines occurred on days following poor sleep, without claiming that the sleep loss caused the pain. By presenting these data points side by side, the software gives the human physician the evidence they need to make the actual diagnosis. The final step is the transfer. Your structured history moves from your device to the doctor's terminal via a local QR handshake. This eliminates the paperwork bottleneck. Doctors see the full history immediately, so they can focus the appointment on high-value treatment. Aura bridges the gap between biological data and clinical systems because it was designed to stop short of medical advice. Modern patient autonomy requires edge-computed tools that remove data friction. Sometimes the most useful AI is the one that stays focused on organization.